Welcome. If you use Facebook on your PC and want to quickly find every event you've joined, saved, or interacted with, this new update makes it easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to reach all your events on Facebook Web in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your main account menu with several options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a lot of your account activity in one place, so it's the right section to check when you want to review your past actions. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area helps you filter different types of actions and content connected to your profile. Now click on Events. Once you open it, choose your events. After that, Facebook will show you the events linked to your account. You can go through them to review the ones you created, joined, responded to, or interacted with before. It's a simple way to keep track of your event history without searching manually through your profile or notifications. So just to repeat the full path. Open Facebook Web, click your profile photo at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, click Events, and then enter your events. If this video helped you, make sure to keep watching for more quick Facebook tips and updated tutorials. It only takes a minute to learn, but it can save you a lot of time later.